crank it to him, yeah. Turning my tracks to control out, ran the corner on drift, yeah. Left hand on steering, right hand with the black while I'm perfect shit. Look like I came out the Fast and the Fury. The 4 on the race and the line and leg geek. Tapping my gas at the red light, yelling who on the race. I got that bag full of headband, finish most of the fake. And if I'm hating, but it ain't no pressure like all of my ties, no. And they keep watching me, y'all finna bury the folks in the tag smoke. Nephew, YouTube, what going on? 5-7 few back with something new. Hey, look, I was just looking up different little car washes, cause my car been picking up dirt. I'm talking about like crazy lately, so I been having to wash them like every week. You know where generally you gotta wash them every week, but I'm talking about I be having to wash them every week, cause man, my boy be getting dirty. The blue, I'm talking about the blue get dirty like white. So I was just looking up, you know, little different options I can go, different routes I can go. And I came across the ceramic coating. So I was looking up, I see the professional ceramic coating. I don't want to do that yet. Cause whoever had the car before me, they ain't take care of the car wash. I mean, they ain't take care of the car when they was going through the car wash or whatever car wash they was using. And I got the car, I was like, man, let me really see what's going on. Cause the body looked great. So let me really check out the paint. Got to looking at the paint, I can really see the swirls. You know, when you really put the eye on there, you can kind of see the swirls on there. So I was looking for, you know, different little options on how to get that out. And I found, you know, I might do the paint correction or I don't know if I'm saying that right. I might got to do more research, but I'm going to get that taken care of and then I'm going to go do the ceramic coating. But yeah, man, I was looking at different car washes this morning. I seen Car Spa, they had the Cerebon. So, and that's a ceramic coating. I guess they spray it on, you know, as you go through the car wash. Looked up the reviews was all good. And folks said, yeah, I mean, they straight. Like, okay, I might have to pull up on them, see what they talking about. So, fit the head up there now, see what they talking about, get them cleaned up. I ordered 2 parts offline. I got the 4.5-inch exhaust tips, the bolt on. I was gonna do the weld on. I was gonna do the whole cat back, but I figure I want to do the real cat back. Last time I had went up the rainbow mufflers. If y'all, you know what I mean, in Atlanta, y'all know about rainbow mufflers, then I was gonna go, you know what I mean, go up there and do that, but last time I went up there and I got they pipes, and I feel like they just did little regular pipes. So I want to go a real brand of exhaust, you know what I mean, flow master boiler, cause you know, something like that. So I want to do more research on that and, you know, different bass tone, you know, different notes. You know what I mean? Do my little research on that and hear the different sounds on each of those before I just go jump out in some. So I wanted to take that route. Go ahead and put these little 4.5-inch tilts on. But before I could do that, I got to take the fuse out. So I'm going to let y'all see that what they call it, the valance. So before I do that, I got to take the rear valance off. I done ordered that. I got the Pursuit one. Matter of fact, it ain't even the Pursuit one, because I think the Pursuit one just plain across. This one got the 4 lines, you know what I mean, the 4 little fins on the back. So I like that one better than just the regular Pursuit one. So I got that one on the way. The tilts already came. The valance on the way, you know what I mean? I just looked at the shipping. It should be here about another hour or 2 hours. So I figure I'd just go wash the car, get them ready, you know what I mean? So that way, when I put them on the camera, he already right. So when I come back, man, we'll be going through the car wash. I'll let y'all see what this Cerebon talking about. Yes, sir. All right, YouTube, here we go. I wonder how soft this is. I feel like that'll do a little something to it too, though.
Called your father now.
I ain't not supposed to leave my key in the car, y'all. I said, I'm supposed to leave it there. She told me, yeah. She where to move that. Yeah. Hey, but I was looking at this, y'all. Hold on. Let me show y'all what I was just looking at. That's why I pulled out the camera, though, for real. Do what I pulled out right here. Y'all see that? The visual eliminates fine swirls. Synthetic silk. I need that. I'm gonna get that. Sure. Yeah, man, coffee station, man. It's essential. This the one I got. Alright, y'all, we back in the Daytona. Hey, overall, it was a good experience. I like how they, I like how they whole spot set up. The inside clean, outside clean. Onto my, everything look good. Other than my paint, man. My paint still looking crazy. I'm gonna let y'all get it up close. You know what I mean? So y'all can see exactly what I'm talking about. But, man, my paint look crazy. See, look, when I got the car, it had been sent, so it was dirty. So when I was licking, I'm rubbing different stuff off with my, you know what I mean? I had a little rag with me. I'm rubbing different stuff off on the paint and it coming out. So I'm like, oh yeah, all I need is a good wash, good wax, good detail. Man, paint gonna be A1. Man, no, man. No. I ain't even saying like that. I ain't saying like that. That motherfucker clean right now. Yeah. I ain't even saying like it bad. I'm just saying like when you wash your car, you expect your car to look clean, man. It feel like, it look like when I just did the ceramic bond, man, it seemed like that make the swirl pop out even more. Man, it looked like everything, all my imperfections of my paint popping out. They popping out. That cabana wax, whatever that shit, man, popping out. All my imperfections. So, I'm looking at my car like, damn, man, this motherfucker ain't clean, but I ain't even stand it, man. I mean, this motherfucker clean, smell good, my boy ran right. That's all that matters. So, I'm finna head to the spot. I just got the email saying that my parts are at the house. Well, like I said, I already got the tilts. The tilts came early, but the valance just got to the house. So I'm finna pull up at the house, check the valance, make sure it had a safe delivery, you know what I mean, safe shipping. Oh yeah, there it go right there on the porch. I'm finna go ahead and check it out, make sure it's good. Head over to my partner spot, and we gonna jump back in. I'm gonna let y'all see for now. Yes, sir. Hold on, man. I just jumped out the whip, man. I'm gonna let y'all see it, man. Look at it. Especially right now in the sun. Y'all see that? That look crazy. Yo, that look crazy. No, nephew. We're gonna have to fit that. We're gonna have to get that right ASAP. Onto my trace out. They got on, you know what I mean? Yeah. They got on tire looking too clean.
What is this?
Bring it in for me.
Oh,
Is it heavy?
It's light.
It's light.
I don't feel like anything.
Alright, y'all, so I'm on the way to my partner house. I just want to let y'all hear the before I put the tilts on, you know what I mean, the little stock fake tilts, whatever they got on here. I just want to let y'all, you know what I mean, hear how they sound. Matter of fact, I think I slick think it's straight. Hold on, let me make sure. Nah, that shit straight, so I don't trip. Alright, YouTube, we back. You know what I mean? I done pulled up on my boy Cuban Nietzsche house. You know what I mean? I'm gonna let y'all see what he got in store soon. You know what I mean? I ain't gave no hints or no tips or nothing, but I'm gonna let y'all see. Matter of fact, y'all can follow his channel if y'all wanna see. Like, how many parts you dropped? 2?
Oh, yeah, part 2, yeah.
Yeah, if y'all wanna see part 1 and part 2
3
what he
coming.
got in store, you know what I mean? His boy got big things in store, man. He got RT, but just check what that boy did on his channel though. Let me show y'all what's going on, man. We done finally made it to the brush spot. Y'all see we got the rear diffuser. Well, it's called the Valance, you know what I mean? That's the correct name for it. I ain't like the stock fake, you know, the square exhaust or whatever they got on here, you know, so we gonna go ahead and switch that up, man. We got the real one, and we got the 4.5 outlet, black exhaust tips, you know what I mean, bolted on, so we ain't gotta do no welding. They go straight on. We got the toolbox in the trunk. So I'm finna go ahead and get started, man. Let y'all folks see what's going on, man. Hey, so we're gonna be using these 3 tools right here. Got a little screwdriver with the head socket in it. I got a door trim remover. Then I got the needle nose pliers. Y'all gonna see how all 3 of these gonna be used in this process.
together. So as y'all can see, mine a little different than the other ones y'all might have seen on YouTube. They had them little rivet. These, I got these, so 2 out. I'm going for these 2. Alright, y'all, so look, I took it out right. I ain't realized this shit come all the way over here. See, I got that extra P right there. And then, just tried to put it on here. It don't even line up, man. Get the wrong one. So I'm finna put that one back on. Since I got the side piece. And we still just gonna put the tilts on. Yeah. Hey, man, I see what's saying, man. Real action, man. Let me see what y'all. Take that motherfucker out real quick. Oh, you're the wrong way on. Loosen them up. No wheel action, man. I don't want to loosen them up all the way, but loosen them up just a little bit. Loosen them up just a little bit. Oh, that one went on way easier than the other one did. Going down the other side. Almost done. Put it right down, regular fuse back on. Oh yeah, that be one piece, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, that be one piece for sure.
The start up in here gonna sound mean. You know, they gonna echo.
Let's pull out. Alright. Put the guy back on. We'll show y'all what the finished product looking like. Y'all see what's going on. Got them on now. With the same diffuser though. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna just call, well not even call, I'm gonna just email and tell them I'm gonna send it back. And I probably don't even get the other diffuser. I'm gonna just keep it like this for a minute. Or I might go quad. When boy say the quad is a little better, they had to fill in the gaps. You know what I mean? Y'all see how big the gaps is. But overall though, I like these better than them fake square. But we finally finished start up, man. Let y'all hear. Yeah. That bitch sound way deep. That bitch sound way deep. Man, that bitch gonna say, yo, I know how it gonna sound. Yes, sir.